Me, 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 me. Me, 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 me. Wow. Hey there, Christopher Thunder here from Rider of the Storm in the World's Dirtiest Workshop. I'm here with my XR650L. I have just broken in the rotor and broken in the new lowering link, which puts my feet flatter on the ground as opposed to up on my tippy toes. The lowering link worked out really good. It gives me better control overall in the dust whoops. I felt like I could plant if I had to, or I could drag my heel if I needed to. Without the lowering link, I was just too high, and I was forced up against the bag here, which was a real problem. So, in some situations, a lowering link is really what you need, and that's what I really wanted for this bike. The suspension was really on the stiff side, so when I put the lowering link in, I realized that suspension is really right where I want it to be. I have proper static sag and some decent rider sag or dynamic sag. This new rotor turned out to be a real gem. Even though it's not drilled as much as the Honda rotor, it works pretty good and I'm pretty happy with it. It's also very stylish. Down here I have my lowering link, which is really terrific. I have a guard which does, well, pretty much nothing, but it's there. Here I have the epoxy joint for the exhaust, which is working out really well. And here I have my forward lights, which also work very well. That's really what I want. I want